Hello everyone, Sam is here from myforestmagicwave.com, making this a small video again about pound Aussie and euro Aussie. So let's get started. This is the trade from yesterday, pound Aussie trade, and I explained in this one in my yesterday's video how I took it. This is the long entry from 7-minute chart, and also this another one is euro Aussie. Both were based on Aussie news coming out bad, and the Aussie dollar start getting weaker, and these two pairs went up, and obviously Aussie yen went down. I didn't take that one. So these were the two trades yesterday. But what happened today? So this one went to its target 61.88, and very close, right? And then it dipped. I had a short, but it got knocked out. That's what I'm talking about. I got knocked out at the break even. No hard feeling, no loss whatsoever. So we came down here, and then in the volume time again the next day the price bounced and gave me a nice long setup again. One more time, took the entry all the way up, hit 61.88 anywhere again one more time. But we held over there until we have euro news today, right? And the euro news, if I can show you, I don't know if I have that thing open here. No, I don't have it. Let me just show it to you quickly. I forgot to open it, but it's not gonna take much time. So the euro news yesterday came out really bad when we were there at euro Aussie, and let me see why it's not. Okay, here quickly the schedule. See, when I have this site open, go to webinar, my computer goes slow. Now here you can see these are yesterday at 5 a.m. this news came out really bad. 3.1 expected 3.5 higher than was before, but came out negative minus 2.1, very bad, right? And then this one almost the same. It was expected a little bit worse, and then it came out exactly. And then the third news, economic sentiment, it is from 4.5 expected 5, came out minus 1.6, very bad. So this start making the euro weaker, and this is what I posted here in my I think news from EU was bad, and now EU, EA, and EJ all may be going down. I will be looking for shorts. This is I send out the message on my Telegram, and here you can start seeing that from here, that was the first one. The trade started to come down, so I took it here a little bit late, but it still got something, right? So I got in here, and then it came down, it went up, and it gave me this beautiful setup. But see, in America, that has, it is something we have here, that if you have a trade open and then you open another one, then you have to close the first one if you want to close. So just to avoid that rule, I have different accounts. So on the other account, I opened this entry as well. The first one was coming all the way down, but I opened this one as well here, that maybe I'll catch this, and then I can close either this one or that one, whatever I want, right? So these are the euro Aussie trades coming down after the news came out, euro news, and it was very bad. So, and I'm like I said, I showed you here, I posted on my Telegram that the news is going to be bad, and euro Aussie and euro yen and euro USD will be going down, and I caught both entries all the way from here and this one on euro Aussie. And then euro yen is the one, and then this is pound Aussie, also pound Aussie, today's trade, one of these trades. Oh, it's supposed to be euro yen here. This is pound USD. I caught that one as well. Where is euro yen? I wanted to show you, as I said. Yes, see. So this is after the news, when I posted on the Telegram that 3 pairs in all euro involved, right? So euro yen is gonna be going down, and it went down as well. And also I just showed you these two small one. This one, euro yen, was on 20-minute chart, 20 minutes entry from 20-minute chart, and this is again 7-minute chart pound USD, and 7-minute pound Aussie as well. Now, why am I using all of a sudden pound Aussie is because you guys need to know, everybody need to understand that this is the slow time now, okay? And 20-minute is a little bit higher time frame, and it moves slower than the 7-minute. Now, the moves, the daily range of any pair, anything, let's see if I can show you. For example, this is, okay, Euro USD. Euro USD, you have this indicator telling you, it shows you the daily range of this pair. So here, okay, let me remove my name here. So what it does is shows you that how much a pair move in a whole day, in a 24-hour day. Now, average 60-day, last 60 days, last 2 months, this pair move only 51 pip in a day. And the previous day was 43 pip. Now, you tell me how you're going to make money out of this. How many pips you're going to make? Can you make 60 pips, 70 pip? It don't even move that much. It moved only 43 pip yesterday. Current day range, only 40 pip. So you see, the range is getting smaller and smaller. In these times, May, then you have June and July. It's like schools are off, holidays. The big boys go out with their families and the volume goes away. Right, the smart money moves out of the market, and we don't have the volume. Not much. We have small volume, less volume now, right? So what we need to do is that you're not going to see big moves and big setups on a higher time frame. So that's why from 20-minute, I'm using that 33-minute, the guiding chart, and taking entries, early entries, quick entries from 7-minute. When you don't have volume, 7-minute chart is the best. Okay. You need to know all of these things. If not, then this market is dangerous, right? So similarly, if I will open the chart, for example, here, my favorite pairs, and Euro Aussie, if I have it here, I see pound Aussie. Okay, Euro Aussie here, right? And then drop that here, that indicator. So you will find that this one has a little bit bigger range. Okay, and that's why you have more chances here. Look, 89 average, but previous day range 148. Yeah, yesterday I got 2 big trades, right? Still today, current so far is 68. It's probably slow today, right? And then I have the entry. It's very, very small trade, right? But it's still something. It is more than the rest of the pairs. This one and then pound Aussie. Similarly, pound Aussie, you will see it's still a good range, but it's still this time has shrunk. These pairs usually do 150, 200, 250 pip a day, Euro Aussie, pound Aussie. But look at now what happened. It's 89 pip, 68 pip. So that's why you have to make quick entries and get out quickly. You don't have to. You cannot wait until you have 150 pip trade. You're not gonna see it. The price will wobble and goes up and down, and then it will take you out very easily. Right now, for example, it's making a short setup here. If I'll take this entry, I'm not going to take it because this is not my time of taking entries, even though it's Aussie time, but I'm not going to do it. I'm making this video, so I'm going to bypass. But this is the one I took, and I close it. Because, this is how you have to do it. So you take small charts and close 40, 50, 60, 80, 70, 80 pip. Don't wait for 100, 150 pip trades. That's why I'm using it, 7-minute entry. Now, if I were to take and wait for 20-minute entry, I may not see one. Similarly, going up here, I got two of these 7-minute entry. But if you look at the 20-minute entry of this Euro Aussie, we never had one. It just went like straight line on a 20-minute chart. But luckily, I was watching on 7-minute, and I knew that the volume is not there, and that's why I was able to take this one. And then, like I said, today, so far, small here, small trade here, little bit this, little bit that, and I got my pippage anyway. All right, I had this pound Aussie, right? This pound USD, right? And then Euro Yen. It may be only 30 pip, 40 pip here, but 30 here, 40 there, 50 there. You have 200 pip, right? And Euro Aussie, I got one trade from here and one from here. Yeah, the previous one from, look here. So this is how easy it is if you learn and master this system, that even though the volume is not there, volume is low, and then the moves are not happening, but you can still get out of your 100 pips a day easily if you want and pay attention and learn this system. So this is just wanted to share with you guys. So this is it for now. I'm gonna run. I have to start a webinar in a little while, one-on-one. It's a lot of people joining, so kind of busy there. So this is it for now, and let's see if I can take some trades tonight and then show you tomorrow how this system works. Okay, thanks for watching and have a wonderful trading week.